Hi, my name's Steve Ruffley and this is iView Charts. Now, they say that trading is 80% technical analysis. So when we start with MT4, which iView runs on, you get these basic black and white charts. These don't tell you a great deal. So iView is designed to bring some colour back to your technical analysis. By using my templates, you can basically change a boring chart that we've just seen into something with a lot more colour. So we can see from this hourly cable chart, the pound against the US dollar, that when the market hits the red lines, then closes below the dotted pivot 50% line, we start to move to these green areas of support. So what the iView system does is use higher time frame dotted lines of things that have happened in the past, like these daily points of resistance, daily points of support, weekly points of support, and puts it into a framework that you can use. So that's just a very quick example of how iView changes your technical analysis from very one-dimensional charts into this. So what I'll do is just go through a quick demonstration how I would use iView charts on a daily basis. So say I want to trade the euro dollar today. Okay, what I do is bring out 3 euro dollar charts, just go to window and tile these vertically. So I always look the first way for the daily. So the daily chart, I'm going to use a daily template. So select our template button here, click on the daily template. Now I understand what's happening on a day. Hourly, the same. Okay, so click the hourly template. Now I know what's going to happen intraday. Then for my entry, I use 15 minutes. Again, use the 15-minute time frame chart. All of a sudden now, just tile these windows again, I can see what the market's trying to achieve on all the 3 major time frames. So it looks like the euro dollar is heading down. Okay, so we've seen these higher lows made. Okay, so the market is moving in a downward direction in this big sell-off daily candle here. So we've hit the bottoms and lows. We're kind of ranging right now below this monthly support. So what I then do is look for interesting points of attraction on the dailies. So I know on the hourly chart now, if the market's going to continue down, we've got another 60 ticks until daily weekly support, and in this hourly scenario another 74.6 ticks until we hit the hourly lower Fibonacci. So again, you can see how the market reacts by hitting these upper levels of resistance, pivoting around the 50%, and then these green lines acting as support resistance all the way down until we finish this Fibonacci scenario. So you can use your 15-minute for a bit of a tighter entry. That's good. You can use the Bollinger Bands, the moving average. So if we close below the moving average, hit the lower Bollinger Band again. This is our lower target down at 1.22471. We know that because that filters through the charts. That's a good daily, weekly level. So other things that you can use to sharpen up your entry point is the other indicators that are used. If we go to the indicator section here in MT4, you have a series of custom indicators that I've designed to help you, with your trade entry and being able to understand the type of trade you should do. So we put the bias on. We can see that although the market's selling down now, we're looking for buy trades. Okay, so potential buys. So we're not finished yet. The potential buy means we've got a buy trade coming, but it's not a buy. So that means we've got almost like some reversal patterns happening, but not just yet. So I'd suspect we break the lower Bollinger Band, maybe break this low level here, and then bounce around the 423.6 level. So we don't buy the euro dollar now. We wait for the buys to turn to buy from potential buy, and then pick up them lows and make some money. So other things that you can use in iView to make it very, very simple and quick all revolve around all the preset templates, okay, or the indicators. So if you want to use an indicator to see all the markets and what happens, use the trade view. So by opening up the trade view, all you can see straight away is that you can see all the symbols that MT4 provide for you, and you can see the delta volume, D-market, RSI, and also the trade idea. So no longer do you have to hunt through your charts anymore. You just find something that is a potential buy or something interesting like the euro pound here. Double click. The chart opens automatically, so you can see what you're looking for is a low point in the chart. Around about this 423 level here would be a good point after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down candles. So we're looking to pick the lows in the euro against the pound down here. And if we don't, we break these lower pivot kind of resistance points here, or we've got support resistance points, and then if you get any lower, you can certainly pick some value up down here at low points in the charts. So really, iView is designed to use all the kind of technical information that you'd ever need, and it doesn't really, again, discount the fundamentals either. If you want to put fundamentals into this, there is a news reader that you can put into your charts, so you'll never miss news on your charts again. So it ties up the 80% technicals with your charts, indicators, and your templates, but then allows you to see news by using the fundamental newsreader. So it's a complete package all in one. iView lets you do everything you need to do. So this is just the introduction. Find out more by reading through the site and watching the other videos.